Victoria, is it true that you answered a work email at midnight?
Yes, it's true.
Why did you do that?
I thought it was important.
Was it important?
No, not really.
What was the email about?
My boss wanted a report.
At midnight?
Yes,
That's crazy.
I know.
Did you send the report?
No, I sent it this morning.
Good.
What about you? Do you check work emails at night?
Never.
Never?
Well, almost never. How was your day today?
It was busy.
What did you do?
I answered emails and talked to customers.
Did you have many emails?
Too many.
How many?
About 50.
Wow.
Yes, it was a busy day.
Did you finish everything?
Almost everything.
That's good.
How was your day?
Pretty good.
Were you busy too?
Yes, but not as busy as you.
What time do you start work?
At 8:30.
That's early.
A little.
What time do you wake up?
Around 6:30.
Do you like waking up early?
Not really.
Me neither.
What time do you wake up?
Around 7 o'clock.
That's better.
Maybe.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I make coffee.
Me too.
Then I get ready for work.
Same here. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because I like helping people.
That's nice.
What about you?
I like talking to customers.
Really?
Most of the time.
What do you mean?
Some customers are very friendly.
And some are not?
Exactly.
I understand.
Do you have difficult customers?
Sometimes.
What do you do?
I stay calm and listen.
That's a good idea.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, I do.
Are they friendly?
Very friendly.
That's important.
It is.
I like my coworkers too.
Do you eat lunch together?
Usually.
What do you talk about?
Work, movies, food, and travel.
Sounds fun.
It is.
Who is the funniest person in your office?
My coworker Sarah.
Why?
She tells funny stories every day.
That's great. What is your favorite part of your job?
Helping customers.
Why?
Because it feels good.
I understand.
What is your favorite part?
Meeting new people.
That's nice.
What is your least favorite part?
Meetings.
Meetings?
Yes, sometimes they are too long.
I agree.
What about you?
Paperwork.
Nobody likes paperwork.
Exactly.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Why?
Because there is no traffic.
That's true.
And it's quiet.
I work from home 2 days a week.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, but I miss my coworkers.
I understand.
Working from home has good and bad points.
That's true. Have you ever made a mistake at work?
Of course.
Tell me one.
I once joined the wrong online meeting.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
I listened for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes.
Didn't you notice?
No.
That's funny.
Everyone was talking about something I didn't understand.
Then what happened?
Someone asked me why I was there.
That's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. What about you?
I once sent an email to the wrong person.
Oh no.
Yes.
Was it a problem?
Not a big problem.
That's good.
But I felt very embarrassed.
Mistakes happen.
That's true. Do you feel stressed at work?
Sometimes
What do you do when you're stressed?
I make a list.
A list?
Yes, I reflect my tasks down.
Does it help?
A lot.
That's a good idea.
What about you?
I take a short break.
Does it work?
Usually.
Sometimes a short break is enough.
I agree.
Where do you want to be in 5 years?
That's a difficult question.
Try.
Maybe I want to manage a team.
That's a good goal.
What about you?
I'd like to become a team leader
Why?
because I enjoy helping people.
That's great. What is your dream job?
I'd like a job that lets me travel.
Really?
Yes,
Which country would you like to visit first?
Italy,
Why Italy?
because of the food.
Good answer.
What about you?
I'd like to visit Japan.
Why?
I've always wanted to go there.
Maybe one day.
I hope so. If you didn't have your current job, what would you do?
Maybe I'd be a travel writer.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I'd like to own a coffee shop.
I'm not surprised.
Why?
Because you talk about coffee every day.
That's fair.
I'd visit your coffee shop.
Great. You'll be my first customer.
Deal.
Today, Adam and Victoria talked about work, coworkers, customers, meetings, working from home, mistakes, stress, and future goals. These are common topics in everyday English. Listening to simple conversations like this can help you improve your vocabulary and listening skills. Now it's your turn. Do you like your job? What is your dream job? Write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next episode, Adam and Victoria will talk about travel and vacations. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.
Thank you for listening to Fremar Talks. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with a friend. See you in the next episode.